Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you a recipe of this wonderful superfood. This is the Moringa leaves which I have got with me. I have purchased this from the market. It is easily available. You can also get this leaves if you look around your neighborhood. If you find a tree, then it is well and good. Otherwise, you can easily purchase in the market. First of all, you need to remove the leaves from the stalk. For that, you need to just wrap it in a plastic cover, leave it overnight or leave it for a few hours. This will just drop off. The leaves will just drop off from the stems, and you can collect the leaves thereof by picking out all the stems which are just falling off like that. So this is a superfood which is very good for your health, very good for your energy. If you're young, old, anybody can eat this or consume this moringa leaves in various forms. There are different ways of eating this. There are so many recipes. If you want any of the recipes, you can comment in the comment section below. I will be showing it to you. But in this particular video, I'm going to show how to make this powder, which is very easy to make and which is very comfortable for you to store it for a long period. So here I have collected the leaves which has dropped from the stalks, and I have collected a bunch of these leaves, or a plate full of these leaves. For that, first of all, you don't have to wash these leaves because it will not be washed. You will just have to wipe it off because it will not take water. So you need to spread it across a surface. Here I'm just on a plain wooden board. I'm just spreading it like that evenly so that it will dry easily. You can spread it on a piece of paper or even a cloth. So spreading like this will help to dry these leaves evenly and quicker. But be careful. You have to first dry it in the shade, that is inside your house, where there is some sunlight falling, or where it is warm. You can dry these leaves. This will take at least a day depending on the temperature you give. So if the idea of spreading it evenly is that it doesn't stick to each other, and it gets to dry quicker. So after a day of drying it in the shade, you can see that the leaves have dried. If you just squeeze it in between your palms, then there is this powder, like it will start turning powder. It will crush easily in your palms only, and it will be powder. It will become powder like that only. So you can understand that the leaves have dried well enough. If you think it still needs drying, then you can just collect it like this and place it in the sun for 10 to 15 minutes. Direct sun, you can place it for 10 to 15 minutes and immediately collect it. You shouldn't dry it so much that it becomes dark, or it becomes very brown in color. So because the green color of this leaves will vanish if you dry it in the sun for a long time, and the taste of the moringa will change, or the benefits of the moringa will cease to exist. So to make powder, you need to grind that. Take a mixer jar, wipe it clean. There should be no water. Just drop all the leaves which is dried, and you can pulse it and make a fine powder. If you think the powder is coarse, you can just filter it, and you will get a very fine powder of this moringa leaves. The leaves or the powder can be stored in the refrigerator for as many days as you want. This will not become pale, or it will not change the taste. As you can see, the color of the powder is also green because I have dried it in shade, and I have dried it only for one day, and the leaves had dried good enough. So I am making a fine powder, therefore I am going to filter it like this. Take a sieve, and you have to just filter it, and you can separate fine and coarse. The fine powder can be used in soups and porridges. Even in salads you can drop it. The coarse powder can be used in curries, or even you can use it as a face mask or a hair mask or anything. In this video, I'll be just showing it to you how to make moringa oil, which can be applied on your face daily at night so that you get a glowing skin. For that, I'm just taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of the moringa leaf powder which I just made. You can use the coarse powder also for this purpose, which is the leftover coarse powder. And I'm taking a glass jar. I'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, which is easily applicable on the face. Which for you, if you have almond oil, olive oil, you can even castor oil, you can use it. Castor oil is quite thick, so you have to mix some other oil along with it. Here I'm using orange oil which I had made at home. I'm just taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of this, mixing it nicely, and I'm going to place this or cap this tightly and place it in the direct sun for a day or 2 days. I will just keep it in the sun so that the leaves are the moringa leaves is infused into the oil. You get a good even infusion of moringa oil. So this oil can be applied on your face regularly, and you can see that you will get a smooth and a clear skin. If you have very dry skin, you can use this oil directly on the face. If you have oily skin, you can use it as a massage oil. This is good for all skin types, and this oil can be applied on your face and even on your skin wherever you want. Just 2 to 3 drops of this golden green oil is needed for you to achieve that glow on your skin. So this oil is you can keep this oil for a month or so. So try this and see how it works for you. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.